Hello everyone, I am Satyajit Paul. Today we are starting a new series where we'll be learning LWC from scratch. You don't need any experience on LWC, but Salesforce experience will be useful here. So for starting with LWC, you need a Salesforce developer org. You can see I already logged in my developer org, and you need our beloved VS Code. Okay, let's first connect VS Code with our developer org, then we'll start working on our LWC course. And remember, we are going to use AI extensively, and it's not a course where we'll be memorize everything. We'll use Google, ChatGPT, everything, and then I will optimize our work to get most out of the course. Then let's get started. So I am currently in my VS Code. You can see. Let's connect my VS Code with Salesforce. So first I need to press Command Shift P and create project with manifest standard. Then gives an any alias LWC YT. Okay. So let me create a new folder. Tube. New folder. Create. Yeah. So yeah, this is the pretty much the easiest part to start. Uh Here we are going to store all the stuff. And first we need to connect our org with, we need to authorize the org with our this workspace with our org, then we'll get started. And remember, we are going to use AI here. We'll be using agent force as well. So let's first try to authorize the org. Best authorize our org. Hit allow. And voila, we are connected. Yeah, you can see says connected. Okay. Yeah, now let's. Okay, still getting some error. I will resolve it later. Okay, now let's create our first LWC component. Control Shift P, create LWC component. Let's name it Hello LWC. Okay. So, whenever you create any LWC component, you are going to see this structure. Remember this structure carefully. First, inside LWC folder, you will see a folder name with your component name. Then inside that, you are going to see the test folder. It will be like starting with underscore underscore test underscore underscore. Then there will be a HTML file, and there will be a JavaScript file and a XML file. Okay, so let's start from the XML file. So normally XML file will show how your LWC will be working inside your Salesforce. So here it's a API version. API version is important for LWC. Currently we are using 63.0 and also uh, you need to check if what is the if the LWC component is exposed to the user, or it's will be used inside any uh, other LWC component. So here you can see that this is mentioned as false. So if we deploy this, it will not be visible to the user, but we can use with some other LWC component. So to deploy anything, you just right click on that component and hit deploy to the source org. It will deploy to the org, but you won't be able to see and use that LWC anywhere. And also if you want to see, you can preview component locally. It's a very useful. Yeah, this is my component. Here you will not able to see anything. Let's add something. Okay, let's first go to the HTML file. Let's add a h1 hello world. Okay, let's save and see. Yeah, hello world. Okay, so this is the basic stuff. Let's expose this so that we can use in some record page or app page. So let's make it true. Then you need to provide targets. Okay, targets is the place where we want to show. Okay, let's add these three. Okay, so whenever we have any app page, we will be able to see this LWC component, and whenever we will have any record page, we will be able to see. Whenever we have a home page, we will be able to see this LWC. And also let's try to make it little better. Lightning. Okay, so let's see how we can add a card. We'll be using Google extensively. LWC card. Okay, so let's try to read the documentation first. Then once you understood, then you should using the other stuff. Okay, so this should be look like this. The LWC card, then card with narrow variant. It should be look like this. It should contain footer, then a card with title, text, and so on. So let's, for our use case, let's take the basic one. Copy code. Go to VS Code. Paste the code. Hello. So this is okay. So let's see what are this stuff. Okay, first we have a lightning card with a title hello world. Sorry, hello, and then we have a lightning button, type action, uh, and it is called new. Then we have a body, and we have a card footer. Okay, so we are using SLDS. We are not using any CSS. So let's first see that locally. Yeah, this is the title, this is the action button, this is the body, and this is the footer. Okay, let's change something and see in action. Okay, of okay. So let's say we do not need the button. I will be removing that. You can see it's changing. The button has removed. We also do not need the footer. Then yeah, let's change the text. Hello world. I also changed the title to Hello LWC. Okay. Looks good. Now let's deploy this. While it's deploying, let's go to Salesforce and let's create a new app, new Lightning app, which will use throughout the course for all LWC learning. Let's go to App Manager, create a new Lightning app. Let's name it LWC Guru. Mm, Hit next, 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 and next. And for now, we are making it available for system admin only. Okay, now app is ready. Let's create a lightning page. Create a new app page. Let's name it LWC home. Hit next. Let's take three side region. Next. Okay, so yeah, this is how our stuff. Now, if I try to find my component, so my component name was hello LWC. Hello. Okay, let's see if it is deployed or not. This is deployed. Okay. This is not showing here. Let's try to find out what is the issue. Before that, activate this on the app level. Okay, now open that app we created and also see. Yeah, we did not deploy this again. Let's deploy again. Let's deploy again. And now let's go to LWC Guru, LWC home, nothing is there. Go to edit. Now, hello LWC. Oh, yeah, this is there. Drag and drop. Hit save. And now you will be able to see hello LWC. So, yeah, this is all for this app. We'll make more changes on this and we'll add more stuff. We'll go step by step. Stay tuned. Hopefully, we'll learn more on this tutorial. Thanks for watching.